This is a review of the $20 Jigsaw from Walmart. It's a 3.5 amp variable speed. It comes with a saw blade. It works with the included saw blade and also all these other aftermarket saw blades that have a different type of end. It has a tool-free blade insert. You push this lever up, insert the blade. Has a little roller support brace that helps keep the blade straight. Comes with an Allen wrench right here. You can loosen these two bolts, and then this bottom part can move. And there's a gauge underneath that can show you which angle it is, and you move it and then retighten it in your desired position. On the top front is an adjustment dial, and it goes from 1 to 6. Down at the lowest setting, the saw blade moves really slow, and as you turn it up, the speed increases. There's a thumb lock button where if you have to do a really long cut, you push it in and the saw stays on. The cuts it makes are super accurate, nice 90-degree edges. My old saw just started making weird noises, and it just doesn't even turn on anymore. Had a real bad burning smell. On each side of the motor spindle are these things called carbon brushes, and you check those to see if they're worn down, and these are okay. I think the motor is just totally worn out. Upon closer inspection, the plastic tabs that hold this carbon brush in place are all broken, and I wedged it in there really tight. And it works a little better, but this thing is toast. There's no point in trying to fix that. And before I throw it away, I scrap parts that I can use, like the cord, some screws, and some washers. So this gets a thumbs up for $20. It's pretty unbelievable that you can get this for such a low price. The only downside is it doesn't come with a case, but my old Jigsaw that died, the case will work. Fits perfect.